Attacker burns $3 million to drain $5 million from Hyperliquid vault in coordinated attack. Cryptocurrency. Hack. Hyperliquid. An attacker burned $3 million to manipulate Hyperliquid's POPCAT market. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. November 13, 2025. A coordinated strike against decentralized derivatives platform Hyperliquid resulted in nearly $5 million in losses from its Hyperliquidity Provider, HLP vault. Key takeaways. An attacker burned $3 million to manipulate Hyperliquid's POPCAT market. The move caused nearly $5 million in losses to the platform's Hyperliquidity Provider vault. The exploit involved splitting funds across 19 wallets and opening $26 million in leveraged longs, followed by a fake $20 million buy wall that triggered cascading liquidations. The loss came after an unknown trader deliberately sacrificed $3 million to manipulate the POPCAT market and trigger a cascade of liquidations. Attacker split $3 million across 19 wallets to fuel Hyperliquid assault. Blockchain analytics firm Liquidations reported on Thursday that the sequence began when the attacker withdrew $3 million USDC from the OKX exchange, distributing it across 19 new wallets. The trader then deployed the funds on Hyperliquid to open more than $26 million in leveraged long positions tied to Hype, the protocol's POPCAT-denominated perpetual contract. The attacker proceeded to construct a $20 million buy wall near the 21 cents mark, creating an illusion of strong demand that briefly drove the market higher. When the wall suddenly disappeared, price support evaporated, liquidity dried up, and dozens of over-leveraged positions were automatically liquidated. Hyperliquid's vault was left absorbing the fallout, recording a $4.9 million deficit, one of the largest single-event losses in its history. Ironically, the manipulator's own $3 million stake was entirely erased. Analysts say this points to a motive of structural disruption rather than financial gain, marking the event as a deliberate stress test on Hyperliquid's liquidity architecture. Unlike conventional market exploits designed for profit, this maneuver appeared to be aimed at exposing systemic weaknesses in automated liquidity provider vaults. Community reactions ranged from disbelief to dark humor. One observer called it the costliest research ever, while another likened it to performance art with real money. Others described the episode as peak Degan warfare, underscoring the risks of operating perpetual markets without strong liquidity buffers. Perp markets are open season for anyone willing to light money on fire, one user wrote on X. In response to the turmoil, community member Connor noted that Hyperliquid temporarily paused withdrawals, citing the platform's vote emergency lock function, a safeguard mechanism to prevent further manipulation. Withdrawals resumed roughly an hour later, though the team did not officially connect the pause to the POPCAT-related event. Hyperliquid strategies to raise $1 billion to become largest HYP token holder. As reported, Hyperliquid Strategies has filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to raise up to $1 billion, with plans to use the proceeds to expand its crypto holdings and acquire additional Hype tokens. The move marks a major step in the firm's push to strengthen its presence in the decentralized derivatives market. Chardan Capital Markets is advising on the offering, which includes up to 160 million shares of common stock. The company will emerge from the merger between Sonnet Biotherapeutics and Rorschach I LLC, a SPAC deal that will form the new Hyperliquid Strategies entity. Upon completion, David Scamies will serve as CEO and Bob Diamond, former Barclays chief, will take the role of chairman. News of the filing drove Hype token prices up 8% to $37.73, even as the wider crypto market declined slightly. Once the merger closes, Hyperliquid Strategies is expected to hold 12.6 million Hype tokens worth about $470 million, alongside $305 million in cash set aside for further acquisitions, making it the largest corporate holder of Hype. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, The soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Wall Street-ready ETFs appear as government shutdown ends. Will XRP finally explode? Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP Ethereum by the end of 2025. Bitcoin price prediction. Macro investor says bull market still alive, but a 70% collapse could follow. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? November 13, 2025. 12 hours ago. By Seed Fatal Pasic. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Crypto funds dump BTC and ETH, but pour millions into Solana instead. 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. First U.S. spot XRP ETF launches with $26 million volume in 30 minutes. 5 hours ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 8 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in for November 2025. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 13 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.